Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you a very important thing, which is making sure that everything related to the authentication system has been activated successfully. So first of all, if you open up the web.php, you will find a root that has a little bit of a strange structure. So here it says root middleware and then auth blah 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 and then get dashboard and return dashboard. This route has been created automatically by Laravel, and you don't have to worry too much about the structure. This route is just going to return the user to the dashboard if they are logged in, and if they are not logged in, it's going to take them to the guest page. This is the first thing that you need to know in the web.php. The second thing is that if you open up the resources views, you will find a new folder called auth. This folder contains so many files. These files are just the views of the authentication system. So if the user is logged in, it is going to use the login page. If the user wants to register, it's going to use the register. If the user wants um, to um, to confirm password, any other thing, it's going to use one of these files. Also, if the user is not logged in, it's going to take them to the guest page, which also exists here. If you open up the layouts, you will find a page called guest, which is this file. Now, in the browser, if you run your server, of course, you need to use the php artisan command, php artisan serve, which is this command. Let me show you the command one more time. So the command is php artisan serve. If you run this command, this is going to run the server, and you will be able to go to your URL. So let me go to the URL localhost 8000, and it could be 8001. It depends upon your the URL, the server that you got from your from your terminal. So here I'm running on this one. 127.0.0.1 8000. So mine is 8000. So mine is 8000. It could be something else. It could be 8001 or 8000 or 8080. So now if I go to localhost and then forward slash login, I should be able to see the login page. Here I should be able to see the login page. However, some of you might face this problem, and this problem is related to the mix function. So to fix this problem, you need to open up the guest.blade.php, and instead of using the mix, you need to say here asset and then css app css. Also here you need to say asset and then js app.js. So some of you might face this problem. Some of you might get this error. If you don't get this error, that's great, and you don't have to edit these. If you get this error, you need to change the function to asset instead of mix, and just click on file and then save all. And now if you refresh, you'll find that now this is going to take you to the login page. And if you go to register, this is going to take you to the registration page. And it's amazing. It's just amazing. You just need to go to register or login to be able to check to be able to see the registration and login pages.